If you've spent even a little time scrolling through Indian car culture online, you've definitely come across Kerala. Modified cars, rare imports, insanely maintained classics. The state is literally everywhere in the car scene. But why exactly is Kerala so famous for cars? Let's break it down. First off, it's the passion. In Kerala, owning a car isn't just about transport, it's about pride. Families treat their cars almost like a member of the household. Even a 20-year-old Maruti 800 is maintained like it's just rolled out of the showroom. And when you care for machines like that, it shows. Then comes the Gulf connection. Over decades, people from Kerala working abroad have brought back not just prosperity but also taste for rare cars. That's why you'll find Pajeros, Land Cruisers, even left-hand drive imports sitting in garages here. Add the influx of supercars and premium SUVs in recent years and you've got a lineup you won't see anywhere else in India. From the backstreets of Kochi to the hills of Munnar, everyday commuters turn into rolling canvases of cultural expression. The mod culture here is on another level. You'll find slammed Civics, tastefully tuned Polos, full off-road gypsies and Thars that look like they came straight out of a showroom catalog. What makes it special is the mix. Some builds are subtle and classy, others are loud and experimental, but all of them carry that same creative energy. And here's the wild part. Even though there are crazy fines on car modification across India, in Kerala, people honestly do not care. They are A-OK to pay the fines because passion over paperwork, I guess. Despite all these restrictions, people are out there building, modifying, and keeping the scene alive. Another big reason, the roads and lifestyle. Kerala's highways, hilly terrains, and coastal stretches make driving genuinely enjoyable. Owning a good car here isn't just for flexing. People actually love to take them out, go on drives, and be a part of the scene. And when the Kerala floods hit, a lot of these very cars become rescue machines, helping people in need when it matters the most. That tells you it's more than just a hobby here. It's a part of life. Even police vehicles in Kerala are modified. Take that. Which says a lot about how deep the culture runs. And lastly, the community. Car clubs in Kerala are massive. Doesn't matter if you're into JDM, off-roading or supercar, there's a crew for you. Weekend meets, rallies, coffee runs. It's this sense of community that fuels the culture even more. What do you think? Is Kerala the ultimate car state in India, or does your city have a scene that can match up? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to hit subscribe for more car culture content. Bye-bye.